back. Today we're making a really fun dessert. They are called Millionaire Bars or Dulcimer Bars. They're a really delicious, fun treat for this winter season, and I'm really excited to make them. So, let's get baking. We're going to start with 1.5 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of white sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add in 3/4 cups of unsalted butter, add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to press out our shortbread dough in a 9-inch square pan. Bake it at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. For our filling, we're going to use one 14-ounce can of caramel. We're going to heat up our caramel in a microwave-safe bowl and microwave it for 30-second intervals, stirring every time we take it out with a couple tablespoons of water until we get it to the right consistency to spread it. You're just going to spread the caramel over the shortbread evenly and then chill it until our chocolate is ready. To top this off, we're going to use 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate and 1/2 tablespoon of butter. Now we'll just spread our chocolate over our caramel and spread it evenly. And then we'll top it off with some toffee bits, and then we're done. So here's the final product. It is a really cute little bar. It's so delicious. I know this is gonna be great. So let's take a bite. The shortbread with the caramel and the chocolate, it's so good together. And the toffee bits are a really nice topping. It sort of gives it a little bit of a crunch. But this is delicious, and it's gonna be served for our little brother's birthday party. So that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy New Year!
Take it out!
Okay.
This is me after gut pains for 3 days.
Oh my gosh. Sounds horrifying. Today we're making a really...
You can finish eating before you start talking.
No, I can't have the chocolate mouth with the crumbs flying everywhere.